Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some washi tapes with beautiful designs which are also easy to make, and you can stick this with double-sided tape or glue or a glue stick. So here is a plain white paper and we are using some thin watercolor on it. Let it dry, then we'll use it later. This is a plain white strip and we are going to paint a beautiful Wali pattern on it. It's a tribal painting, Wali painting, and these are cute little figures, human figures, and then we are going to decorate it with small red dots. Here it is. Second one, we are going to have nice little teacups on them with words written on them like tea, fresh, or smile, something like that, so that you can use these kind of tapes to decorate your journal according to the theme of the journal. We are going to decorate this a little bit. The teacups are painted now, and okay, we'll pour a little tea inside the cup also to make it look nicer. And how is it? We'll still decorate it further with little silver color, little cute little hearts, and here's a pink strip of paper on which we are going to give a nice floral pattern, a nice flowers and green leaves. How do you like this one? Well, the next is going to be carrots and cute little bunnies. It's an evergreen theme and I'm sure you'll like this. Here we are using the can opener to make the round shape of bunny's face. This way it's easier and faster. Yes, and this one is done. The next one would be leaves pattern. Here there are some purple leaves I'm drawing, and then I'm going to fill the color in it, and the veins would be white. These I'm doing with white jelly roll thin and a little bit of decoration if you like it. Yeah, this one is also ready. Next one is black. This is the all-time favorite of everyone. Some stars and some design done in golden paint. Few little strokes here and there and it really looks royal. Wow, I like it. What's next? Yeah, the one which we painted earlier. Now they're dried, and let's try some galaxy design here. A little bit of golden color, and then stars and planets. Here it is, done. And next one is my favorite pattern, fish. Here are some red fish. Few strokes of silver color here and there to make it look nicer. So these are some of the designs which I showed you in this video, but there are many more still in my mind, and in coming videos definitely I'm going to show you those as well. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Happy little fingers. Thank you. Bye.